Hi, my name is Brittany and I was sent this electric toothbrush to see how it works. This toothbrush has so many different modes and features. I was really impressed with it. It comes with a little stand that this just sits right in, and then it also has a double-sided sticker so that you can just put this right on your bathroom wall for easy access, keep it off your counter, decrease all that clutter. And then it comes with a little charger that just plugs in right here, so super simple to use. Another thing I really like about this is it comes with 10 individually wrapped little brush heads. So I really like that they're wrapped so that they stay kind of clean and sanitary. So really like that. And then it also comes with its own travel case, which is really nice for an electric toothbrush since they're a little bit bigger than just a normal toothbrush. And it holds the brush heads as well as the actual toothbrush itself. They sit in there super easy. It actually can hold 2 different brush heads. They pop right in and it doesn't move around in there. So this is really great for travel. But the actual toothbrush itself has 15 different settings. There are all of these different modes on here. It's just one button, so super easy to use. When you push it, it lights up which setting that it's on, and each of these has 3 different strengths. So there's like a lighter and then medium pressure and then a heavier mode. So this is for normal cleaning. Then you can see it goes to the blue light and then red for the most intense, and then it moves down to the next one. So this is for like a deep cleaning. Again, you press it 3 times for all of the different strengths. This is for brushing like the front of your teeth, polishing, and then this is for the nursing mode for cleaning your gums. And then this last one down here is for sensitive teeth. Again, it has 3 settings and then it will turn off. At any point, you can also just hold the button and it'll turn off. But if you are on the hunt for a new electric toothbrush, I would definitely recommend checking this one out.